My name is Kim Lee, and I live in Franklin, Tennessee, and I've been a hair transplant technician now for 31 years. It's my forever job, and it's the only thing I've done, and I enjoy it, and it's one thing I know how to do well. So officially I'm called a liaison. I communicate with the clinic owners, the doctors, our corporate office, the technicians, and I kind of keep everything organized. My home base is here in Nashville, but there's other offices that I work at also. Our staff is amazing. They are all my best friends, and we all get along great. We work very closely together. So communication is key. We all talk to each other, we respect each other, we respect the doctors, they respect us. Most of our technicians have been doing it for 20, 25, 30 years. I mean, crazy amount of time to stay in one industry, but it just works. It's just what we do. We're hair transplant technicians. You'll kind of see the same faces over and over. There's about 9 of us. If we have 2 clinics that are doing surgery at the same time with 2 different doctors, then there's enough people to staff those 2 separate clinics. There was a person that early on in my hair transplant career, he was a burn victim. And so he had horrible scarring on his face. And we were able to do a beard and mustache for him. It really, really was rewarding to do that. And that's one of those unique situations. When you change the look of somebody's face and see the confidence in them, that was very specifically one that sticks with me. Just don't be scared of the procedure. If this is something that you're thinking about, don't overthink it, but be confident in the fact that this is all we do. We do hair every single day. The doctors, the technicians, we're good at it, and we'll make you feel comfortable. Just don't second guess it. Just be confident in the fact that you're going to a place and you're around people, that this is all we do.